How's it going, everybody? This is Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons, coming to you with another episode of Single Section Sunday, where every Sunday I showcase a particular single section home that we have for sale right here at Recreational Resort Cottages. And this Sunday, I'm bringing to you the Oak Creek Belfast. Like I've told you before, Oak Creek has brought a new line that everybody has been talking about, everybody has been coming to check out, and it goes by the Mini Mansion line. And this Oak Creek Belfast is in that line of Mini Mansion. So this is a Mini Mansion home, and the thing is, I guess they call it the Belfast because as quick as you can ring a bell, just as fast as that, is as fast as this home is going to be gone. I'm telling you, because right now it is a 15 wide by 58 in length, including the front porch, which is 8 foot, by the way. It is a 2-bedroom, 1 bath, and is on sale right now for $66,000, so it will go quick. And it all starts here with the open concept in the living area. You can see here we've added 3 transom windows right here, bringing in natural light. We've got a good array of space right here, great array of space for plenty of optional and functional furniture. You can do a love seat, couch, you can do a sectional, whatever you like. Add a couple of recliners. The choice is yours to make this house a home. You can see here we went with the blinds in the glass front door. And we've also got 3 picture windows with 3 transom windows up above to match. So this home can be packed full of light, packed full of character as well. So not only does this give you a lot of light on the inside, it gives you a lot of aesthetic appeal on the outside to make this home stand out from the rest. But what everyone likes about the Belfast is the open concept, like I said before. So you can see here from the living area, we'll come right over here into the kitchen. So the kitchen opens up, it's very open space here, and you'll see that we've got plenty of countertop space for you. We've actually left this spot open, so this is perfect if you want to bring in your own island, or if you were to order this home, we can put an island in here for you, so you have plenty of options. But you can see we went with the brick style backsplash from countertop up to the cabinets. We've got the black appliances, we've got the stainless sink with the pull-out faucet here, and we've got the window up above the sink so you can look out onto your property as you do the dishes. But if you don't want to do the dishes, you have a dishwasher in here, of course, for your convenience. And we've got the side-by-side with the ice in the door. All appliances are included, and they come with a 7-year warranty in the $66,000 price. That's what you get here at Recreational Resort Cottages. But you guys follow me on back, and we'll take you down the hallway. And of course, this is central heat and air in here, so all your vents are in the ceiling, so this is where the HVAC system is. And then you'll come right in here to bedroom number 1, which will be the guest bedroom. You can easily fit a queen size bed in here. We have 1 window to bring in the natural light, and then we've got the closet here as well, where you got a rod and shelf there for your convenience. And you guys follow me on around here. We'll come on back and you'll see we even have another exterior door here with the blinds in the glass also. So again, you're coming out from the property here. You can come in, go straight into your bathroom and wash off everything that you need to. You'll see here we have a place for a stackable washing machine and dryer. You come in right here into your bath, and you'll see we went with the tiled shower. You step in here, we've got a beautiful transom window up above, and just a nice aesthetic feel to this shower, to this bath. Give you an upscale look. You come on down, and when you're done taking a bath, you just come right back to your master bedroom. And you'll see here, this master bedroom, you can easily fit a king size bed. What I like about it, so we've got a more modern style ceiling fan here that Oak Creek is offering. We've got one of those as well in the living room also. Come right here into the closet. You can see we've got plenty of rod and shelf space. We even got some space back here, so there's plenty of storage space in your master closet. And you guys follow me on around. and we can take you back through and show you why this is a lot of bang for a little buck. So that is perfect for everyone that is looking for a 2-bedroom home, but is on a budget but wants quality. This is where you can get this. This is where you can get a home that looks $20,000, $30,000 more expensive than what you're paying, and you can get it right here in the Oak Creek, Belfast. And I want to thank you guys for tuning in to another Single Section Sunday with me, Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, come to Recreational Resort Cottages, ask about the Belfast. Remember, this is a 15 wide by 58 in length, including the front porch, and it is on sale right now as you're watching this video for $66,000. And I will see you guys next Single Section Sunday.